Sick! I love it!
Paddy O'Connor, your Hilux is finally done. Now you're probably thinking who he is. Patrick O'Connor, aka Dean from Blood and Sand, Home and Away. All my Home and Away fans out there, this is a massive shout out to you. We've done his Hilux, we've Autocrazed it up. And a massive shout out to my mum. She's a big fan of this lovely chap. So we got Barney, he picked up the car from his house, dropped it off here. We've Autocrazed it. Massive shout out to all our suppliers that helped us through with this one. Dobson 2-inch lift. We've also done the Super Pro upper control arms. Also introduced the new wheel, the Elite Chaos wheel. This time here we've done it in the black with the milling, not red like the black beast that we've done. Shout out to Michelin. We've also done the BFG KO2 275 7017s. We've also done the light covers. This is a massive shout out to the boys at Fat Bars. Thank you, Paul and the team, for sending us the underbody armor. We are #1 supporters of Australian made products. So guys, hit him up, let him know what you think. Pat is on his way. He's gonna pick up his Hilux. He hasn't seen it yet. So I hope you guys get excited because this reveal's got me excited too. Alright, so we've got the Hilux is done, it's dusted. Patrick O'Connor's over here. He's gonna tell you exactly, so tell us exactly how you found out about us and what happened, the whole full story from the moment we first met, love at first sight.
I've been following you guys for a little bit and I've seen some of the work that you've done on some different utes and thought I'd send you a message, get a bit of a suss out on the goods that I could get done. And you put some solid recommendations through and you hooked me up with quite a deal and a bit of a facelift.
110%, so what we've done, you've seen what we've done. He kind of knows what we've done, but I'm gonna get you to wait here.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna get the car before you know.
Yeah, okay, sick. Sick! This is fresh.
What do you reckon?
I love it. This is mad, man. Thank you.
It's all done.
Oh, shit. Dude, this looks mean. Holy shit. Oh, bro. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Damn, brother.
Blood and Sand,
This
bro.
is, yeah,
you know what I mean? Yeah. What is it? How is it like that? Or whatever it is. Whatever it is.
Dude, you hooked me up. Thank you very much.
What do you want to tell to the people watching, bro?
This guy hooked me up, man. Make sure you get in.
2 locations. We've got them down in Caringbah. We've also got it down in Silverwater. Thank you for the people watching.
Legend. Thanks, brother.
Very, very welcome.
Thank you.